Yo, what's up all you radical people of YouTube? Welcome to the Captain's Cog. I am the captain, and tonight we're going to fix up my Giant so it's ready for Snow Summit Bike Park. Okay, so here's everything I got to do. I got to put on a new rear tire. I got a Minion DHR2 in 26 by 2.3. This is my first tubeless tire I've ever installed, so I hope it goes well. Then I'm going to try and change the foam rings and the oil on my Fox 32 forks because they have not been serviced in a long time. I'm not going to do an internal, just a lower service. And I am going to try to bleed my brakes. Okay, I'm going to wing it. I don't know how much I'm supposed to put in there, but that looks about right. Maybe a little more. I don't know. Maybe more. I don't know. Oh no, I'm leaking all over the place. Damn it. Hope it holds air. I have no idea what I'm doing here. So let's see. Nope, nothing. Okay, that's not working. Let's try something else. I think that was it. I got it. It's hard as crap. Sorry for the compressor noise, but I think I got it. Wow. Incredible. Well, there you have it. My first tubeless tire install. It went a little easier than I thought. It didn't want to go at first, but then I bumped up the pressure of my air compressor, and I just kind of messed with the tire a little bit as I was inflating it, and it pumped right up. So that task is done. Now on to getting the forks apart. Okay, I got the brakes off. Now I'm about to loosen these nuts. Make sure I don't want to hit the rebound adjustment there. Alright. Up a little bit, and then we're going to pound on them. I think I'm supposed to take the air out too. Now the moment of truth. We're going to see if there was any oil in here. Here we go. A little bit. Yeah, this right side had nothing. Absolutely nothing. The oil is surprisingly cleaner than I thought it would be. But the fact that there was none on this side is very worrisome. But let's take care of that. Okay, now I need to get these old foam seals out of here. Those are dirty. Dirty. Go. At least they were still intact. Dirty as hell. Alright, now I gotta clean these things out. Alright, I got my poking cleaning stick here. Just gonna fish this in there. Make sure it goes in nicely. There we go. Spin it around. Get it in there nice and good. Pull her out. Alright. Not bad. of them. Alright, got the other one. Okay, now I just need some of this slick oleum in there around the seals, and we should be ready to go. Just get that on your finger, put it around here, nice and good. Okay, get another dab. Alright, now we're ready to put these back on and load them with oil, and we're good to go. There we go. Alright, now I'm going to bring these up a little bit. And that's where I'm going to put the oil right in here. So each leg calls for 30 cc's, so I'm going to suck this up. Alright, here we go, 30 cc's of Fox 20 weight gold, going right in there. Here's the new crush washers, one on each side. This helps hold the oil in there. Get my nuts, here's the rebound side. Now we just tighten them up. Right about there. The secret is you want to crush those plastic washers just enough that they get nice and squished in there, but you don't want to break them. The rebound on. Put the wheel back on, and I have to tighten the brakes, and we should be good to go. Can't wait to see how this thing rides. Well, there you have it. I got the new tire on, and I did a lower fork service on my Fox 32s right here. It was everything was a lot simpler than I thought it was going to be. I didn't run into any problems. Everything looked good. The forks were a lot cleaner than I thought they were going to be, but one side there was no oil, so that was real bad. So now I'm all lubed up. I'm ready for the bike park. I'm going to Snow Summit Bike Park on Tuesday, and I'm really excited. I'm meeting up with Eric from Riding Dirty. So I can't wait to see you there, buddy. And I'm probably gonna bleed the brakes later because I might have to put some new brake pads on the rear. So I held off on bleeding anything, and I'm kind of spent on working on bikes for right now. So I'm gonna take this for a spin, and then I'm gonna wake up in the morning. I'll get some video and pictures of it in the morning light, and that'll be the end of the video. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that one. Next video, I'll probably be at the bike park. So look out for that one. This is the Captain signing off. I'll catch you guys next time. One thing you gotta remember, people, is keep the budget low, the stoke level high, and always be your own captain. you.